Did you get a New Zealand decline after your interview? Please hear this out very carefully. Do you know you can request for your interview summaries, interview notes from the officers, and they are obliged to release it to you? Do you know that you're not required to go through the Official Information Act under the Privacy Act to then request for your client file record and then request for your interview notes, which could take weeks for you to get it? That's not a mandatory requirement. A lot of officers were not very sure on whether they can release the notes or not, and there were some inconsistencies occurring in Immigration New Zealand. And what has happened is recently the immigration officers have been made aware that they are required to release the notes if the applicant or the representatives are requesting for the same. So if your interview has taken place and you were quite confident that it went off well and you were surprised with a decline, do not worry. Do request for your assessment notes, do request for your interview summary, which would be given to you, which could be given to you promptly by the officers. What that will mean is, let's say you are a student, you were going for a Feb 2026 intake, and all of a sudden you get a decline after the interview. Now you don't have enough time for requesting for your client file record under the Privacy Act and then see the notes and then apply again, but you probably will have time if you can quickly get your interview notes, interview summaries, and then take a decision whether the officer has done some process failure, and you can then submit either a complaint or relaunch the application to be on your university on time to study. So if you've got a decline recently, unexpectedly, and you're very sure that the interview went off well, please do not be disheartened. Please do not give up. Be aware that you have the ability to ask for these interview summaries and the officers are obliged to give it to you. If you don't know how, if for you it's taking longer, don't hesitate. Do connect with us, contact us, and we will be happy to provide you with clarification on how to do it or probably do it on your behalf. Don't give up, I would say. We'll be there to assist you if you need.